Hi, let's look at this video together, this question together. Peter used 2/5 of his salary on the TV. He spent 1/6 of the remaining money on the table and 350 on some chairs. He then left with 1/4 of his salary. What was his salary? Okay, for this question, I'm going to show step by step how your child can draw the model and also how to derive the answer. I think most solution will only show them how to use the LCM, etc. But I don't think the kids is able to understand it that quickly. So okay, let's proceed with the first diagram. Okay, so Peter used 2/5 for his salary. So by right you can use uh, one U and 4U, but we know that later on we're going to use 1/6 of the remaining. So one way is to represent it with 4U and 6U, so that later part we can use it for 1/6 of the remaining money. So that's the first thing. So after they draw this part, you can actually then to say is that he's going to use 1/6 of the remaining money on the table. So remember 6U of the remaining, so 1/6 of it is actually only 1U. Okay, and he also used $350 for some chairs. So you put some money for chair, 350. Okay, and whatever is the leftover. Okay, and according to the question, the leftover is 1/4 of his salary. So if this is 10 units, because 4 plus 6 is 10, 1/4 is actually 2.5 units. Okay, but then to a kid, it might be very quite difficult to solve 2.5 and 10 and 4 units, etc. So the easiest way is actually multiply everything by 2. Then you will have 5 unit, 4 unit become 8 unit, 1 unit become 2 unit, 10 unit become 20 unit. 350 remains the same because it's not a unit, it's a direct dollar amount. From here, we can then see that 15 minus 8, how do I get 15 is because you got 20. I'm only looking at this part. So it's 8 plus 2 plus $350. So it's 15 minus 8 minus 2 unit is equal to $350. Okay, we can compute 5 unit is 350, 1 unit is 70. And how much money did he have as his salary is 20 unit. So it's 20 times 70 is 1,004. Hence his salary is $1,400. Okay, so your kids don't have to draw actually 3 different model. He can actually come up with one. So usually what you can do is that if you see that it's 2/5 for his salary and 1/4 of his salary, you know that you need to make this part roughly the same, the LCM to be equal. Okay, I hope it helps.